Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I am Ms. Keksha, your math teacher. Today we will revise some questions of the subtraction and we will do more questions so we learn more about the subtraction. Okay, are you ready? Okay, first recite Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, in maths class we again do subtraction with converting hundreds. And we will do book page number 46. Okay. First, revise the definition of subtraction. Subtraction means you are taking something away from a number. When you subtract, what is left in the group become less. For example, if you have 8 razors and you give 3 to me, so what is left with you? 5, and it is less than 8, right? So this is the subtraction. So this is your book page number 46. We have some questions. Part A is already done for you. So we will start part B. In subtraction, we always start from the ones column. So in ones column, we have 7 minus 5. So we easily subtract 5 from 7. So keep the number 5 in your mind, the smaller number in your mind, and count till 7. And during the counting, open your fingers, right? So keep 5 in your mind and count till 7. After 5, we have 6, 7. So we got 2 fingers. Now in tens column, we have 2 minus 6. So can you subtract 6 from 2? No, you can't. So what will you do? You borrow from the 100 column. So it will give 1 to you and 4 becomes 3. Now in tens column we have 12 minus 6. Now we can easily subtract 6 from 12. So keep the number 6 in your mind and count till 12 and open your finger with counting. So after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many fingers you got? You got 6 fingers. And 3 minus nothing. It means 3 minus 0. It becomes 3. Now in part C, again start from the ones column. In ones column, we have 5 minus 4. So keep the number 4 in your mind and open the fingers with your counting till 5. So after 4, we have 5. So only 1 finger. So move towards the tens column. In tens column, we have 4 minus 5. Can you subtract 5 from 4? No, you can't. So you borrow from the 100 columns and it becomes 14 and this 3 becomes 2. Now we have to subtract 5 from the 14. Again, keep the number 5 in your mind and count till 14 and during the counting, continue to open the fingers. So after 5, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many fingers you got? 9 fingers. Good. 2 minus nothing. Nothing means 0. So 2 minus 0 is same 2. Now move towards the part D. In part D, in ones column, we have 9 minus 7. Keep the number 7 in your mind and count till 9. So after 7, we have 8, 9. So only 2 fingers. So we have 2. Now move toward the tens column. In tens column, 0 minus 5. If you have nothing with you and I am asking you to give me 5 razors or 5 pencils, you can't give me. So you will borrow from the 100 column. And this 0 become tens. Now you can easily subtract 5 from 10. So count after 5, keep the number 5 in your mind and count till 10. So after 5, we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I got 5 fingers. So the answer is 52. So the remaining part you have to do yourself, right? And I hope this is more clear to you. Okay, students. Till the next class, Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.